Hey, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today I'm going to show you all of my stamps. And I thought a fun way to do this would be to make my own stickers and just try out my newest inks and all my stamps on these sticker sheets. These are just simple printer sticker sheets. They have pre-cut stickers, like label stickers. And as you can see, I got these at Mybe, a Dutch store. But you could use any kind of white sticker sheet as long as it's matte and not glossy. I just had these at hand, so let's see what we can make with this. Maybe first, by selecting some inks, I thought it would be nice to color coordinate a little bit, so I use the reds and browns together and all the greens. So I store my stamps in these clear acrylic drawers. I have 3 of these drawers filled with only stamps, wooden stamps. I actually really don't like clear stamps. I don't know, stamping is a messy business, and with clear stamps that only gets worse. So yeah. As you can see, I don't have one kind of brand that I use. I have the most random collection of inks, and I think these were with most of these I got with stamps or at the Action, but sometimes I treat myself on a little bit better ink, and yes, it really does make a difference what kind of ink you get. These you will see. My favorite kinds of stamps are these like background pattern stamps. So because I use a lot of stickers and die cuts and cutouts, I just like to prepare my sheets with stamps and then put everything on top of it. I wish I used my stamps more. My plan actually was to do a similar kind of video from my wax steel collection, but I feel like I have much less knowledge or expertise on stamping with wooden stamps. I don't know, I'm just doing what I think I should do. It's not that I have a lot of expertise on wax seals, but I feel like I have much more tips and tricks I can give you. And here I'm kind of at a loss myself. Okay, I'm not going to do doubles because that will just take way too much time. These are probably my favorites at the moment, so all the pattern ones, and these actually also are indications of snow and rainfall and salinity. I'm not an expert, I just like the look of it, so that's why I ordered them. And for bigger stamps like these, I also have a bigger inking pad. And then I have this one. I got this one together with this ink for Sinterklaas, a Dutch celebration. This is a stamp I got off AliExpress. I don't think I've ever used this one. Let's find out what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty. It's actually a really nice stamp. And then next I have this stamp with my own initials, which I got in a shop in Amsterdam. I think it's called Posthumous. And that's the first box. Then the next one. Then I have this one which I carved myself, and I made this stamp from an eraser. What I did was I drew the shape I wanted to have in there in black, and then carved out with carving knives. I didn't really know if they have a different name, and then tested it out and carved more when there was black in places I didn't want it. And I've tried this multiple times before this one turned out as good as it did. Speaking of cats, I have this one. You might have seen this one in my haul from Cute Things from Japan. It is the cutest. These two I got in a swap I did, I think. I rarely use them, but I really like this one for in my planner and this one on snail mail. Okay, one tip I can give you is stamp the pad on the stamp and not the other way around. Makes life much easier. And let's only do this flower. I got this at Xenos, also a Dutch store. And we can use something there. So let's use some black for a text. This one was in the same set as all the other text. So yesterday, unfortunately, my camera storage was full, and then the storage of my laptop was also full, and before I was able to fix it, it got too dark. So it's a new day, new color. Today I was thinking of doing a more red, brown, pinkish setup, and we have about half of my stamps left. Okay, I just have to show you, because in between the green and the red sticker sheets I bought this beauty. And I'm so excited. This is one of my weirdest inks. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use it. It's the Memento. But yeah, so I don't know how to use it, so I just use it like this. We could see if it works better with a different ink. It's the same issue. That's unfortunate. I rarely use this one, so that's why I didn't know. Yeah, okay, so if I apply pressure on that point, it does get off some ink. This is actually my original stamp that I made for my bracelet as a logo. That's so cool. I used to make a lot of bracelets and sell them on my current Instagrams, Sincerely Lente, and I thought it would be cool to have my own hand-stamped business card. Let's just do random. I'm done with this alphabet now. Well, I kind of want to clean it. And as you can see, I don't clean my stamps and that often. This is how I clean my stamps. Just wiggle them around till they don't give any ink. I like to use these leather stamps for my journal a lot. And we're on to the last drawer. Oh my gosh, this little bear is so cute. Bears are actually one of my favorite animals next to seahorses. And then we have this cutesy little squirrel. And then another one of my favorite stamps. It's designed by, and I got it from the kit. So it's her own design. I absolutely adore it. One more stamp. This one. It's one of those date stamps. So today as I'm filming, it is 2019. It's February 2019 and it's the 6th. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to ask you to please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye!